One of those lizards that can run across water, it's Zac Oyama! Fully anticipating a surprise party, it's Zac Oyama! Okay, it's a pretty good dinner, man. An entrance for our $10 a month supporters, it's Zac Oyama!
Thank you.
They're all here to make some noise! Welcome to Make Some Noise. The game's so good, we spun it off unchanged. I am your host, Sam Reich. Here's how the show works. I have here a series of improvisational prompts our players have never seen before. Isn't that right, players?
Never seen them.
Answer for myself. Run like a lizard, you're using muscles you're not normally using.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
They will, to the best of their ability, fulfill those prompts. I will award them corresponding points, and the winner will go home with a coveted golden ear, which may look fine, but the stench is simply unbearable. Players, are you ready to rumble?
I'm ready.
I'm
I'm
keeping
a live
it loose.
wire right now.
First up, a little moose-boosh, if you will.
Okay.
Firstly, Mr. Oyama.
Hi.
And Zac.
Hate to do this.
And Zacky. And Zac.
Okay.
A clone of a clone, and a clone of a clone of a clone.
Hey there, little guy. Sorry, I'm just cleaning the kitchen by myself because everyone was mad at me for the dishes I made. I'm just a normal guy, and I want to respect where you're from. Wow. Second place. Are we sure? Oh. Excuse me. Sorry. You don't have to. You want to watch? Okay.
Oh, shit. And I'll cut you off there. That's great decision-making, gang. That brings us to the end of our game. Our winner tonight. Our first ever three-way tie.